Hey guys, so I'm back at it again with another moving vlog. Hopefully you're not sick of me yet because I think I posted more videos in the past 2 weeks than I have in the past 6 months. So as I'm recording this, it's New Year's Eve and I'm doing nothing. I thought I wanted to do something, but nothing really worked out, so I just kind of stuck around and kept unpacking stuff. I didn't build the dresser yet. I thought I would. But it's really intimidating to me, and I'm semi-considering just getting a TaskRabbit to come build it, just because the things with the drawers, they're really easy to mess up, and it just makes me nervous. Anyways, I was about to take my makeup off and do a mask, but I was like, oh, while I have my makeup on, I'll do a little bit of the progress that I have made in the past day, which isn't a lot, but it's good enough. So I don't know if I showed the curtains in the last vlog, but I hung those up. I'll need to get a new curtain rod, and it'll be a double rod set, so I'll have to get a curtain to go behind these. But right now I think these are nice because I don't see anyone through my window, but just to kind of filter light and whatnot. And I think even with the desk, the long ones are still the best bet because I think they just look the classiest. I had boxes there, so that's why that one's messed up. I unpacked a couple boxes that were in here and put stuff in my desk. Almost called it a dresser. This still needs organized, but it's just all my office supplies. And then this one's a little bit less stuff. Then I think we're a few boxes shorter there. I have a lot of stuff on my bed because I was like emptying boxes and laying it all out on my bed. And then I moved the nightstand where it belongs. It is kind of tall for the bed frame, but I don't think it matters. I don't think it's gonna bother me. I'm kind of pissed because I wanted to wash my acrylic nightstand, so I scrubbed it with a sponge, and I think it like left little micro scratches in it, and it's like messed up now and looks really cloudy in the daylight. Now it looks kind of fine, but whatever. And then I'm diffusing some neroli essential oil right now, which is cool. This is my nice New Year's outfit. I'm wearing a shirt under this, and I realized I was wearing it inside out the whole day, and then I realized I was wearing my underwear inside out the whole day too, which I don't know if that like means something, but whatever. And then more stuff in the closet, and then the shelves aren't decorated, but I kind of just put all of my like decorative stuff on them just so I know what I have and get them out of the boxes. I feel like I have a lot of shelf to decorate, and I don't really know where to begin because I'm not really well versed in that stuff, but we'll figure it out. Put this tray in the bathroom and these 2 candles. I'll probably just keep one in here. And then I was taking some product photos, so that's why that's in there. Then I put some new products out. Have a fully stocked shelf. That's about it. In the bathroom. Toilet still makes that noise. We'll see when it gets fixed. Put more stuff in the closet. And then the biggest development is we put my rug down. I love my rug. The only thing is that it's really dirty from my last apartment, and I never vacuumed it because I didn't have a vacuum. And I still don't have a vacuum, so I have to buy one. But it just sheds a lot and gets a lot of shit on it, so I'll have to do that soon. And that's about it for today. Hopefully next time I'm vlogging, either some new furniture will come or I'll have a built dresser. Either one of those would be ideal. And then I also last night placed 2 orders, one at Bed Bath & Beyond and one at Target for my duvet and then like some bath stuff. So I think that'll pretty much wrap it up for most of the stuff that I need. So it's New Year's Day, and I just had a TaskRabbit come to build my dresser because I'm lazy. So this is my dresser. It fit perfectly. I just started putting stuff in here. So it's perfect. I would have never been able to build this on my own, honestly. And then he also hung up the mirror, so that's perfect because we didn't know where to put it and we thought this wall looked boring, so. Hello, so I forgot to show you the finished coffee table. So I built it last night and it was pretty easy. So here she is. Sorry, our fridge makes a noise. They have to fix it. Pretty nice. The top is like obviously fake, but it looks nice, I think. Even with the carpet being off-white, I think it's good. And in other news, we acquired our bar cart somehow. I think somebody took it, and then Haley found it this morning by our gate, which normally things don't get delivered by unless it's like something small, so I don't know. And it was 4 days ago that it was delivered, so I think somebody stole it and was like, you know, I don't want a bar cart, and they gave it back. So thankfully we have that. I'll probably build that tonight. And then today my duvet cover's coming. Let's walk you in here. This toilet annoys me. I don't make my bed, sorry, but once the duvet cover's on, it'll look great. I'll probably show that to you tomorrow morning because I like when it's the natural light. So we'll see. After my duvet cover comes, I'm gonna wait for some bathroom stuff from Target, and then that's pretty much it for stuff that I've bought for the time being, and we'll see if I need anything else moving forward. Oh, how could I forget the wallpaper? I ordered the wallpaper. It was really, really expensive. A lot more expensive than I anticipated based on the size of this wall. But it's gonna go along this wall. I think it'll look really nice. The only thing I'm worried about is how I'm gonna cut out a space for that and the outlet, but we'll see. Let me know if you have any tips if you put up fake temporary wallpaper before. Hey guys, so I'm ending this vlog on kind of a bad note because I'm sick, but I got a few more things in that I wanted to show you just so we can wrap up this vlog, and the last one will probably be when I get my wallpaper and put up the wallpaper on this wall. But I got my duvet cover, so I'm going to show you that. I have to use my light so you can see the texture of it. It's from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just this textured black one. I'm glad I got it in a size queen because I didn't have full, but I think full and queen, it's basically the same size duvet cover. So there's that. I never make my bed, so this is a rare thing. Sorry if I'm out of breath. When I'm sick, I get like bronchiospasms and have to use an inhaler, which is cool. So I got these. Sorry, the toilet's still making that noise. I have to get it fixed. I got it submitted though. I got these from Target. 2 little containers. This one has Q-tips and it lifts them up. Then this one I put little cotton squares in. My necklace. And then these are my new towels from Target as well. Got 2 hand towels and 2 bath towels in this super cute black triangle embossed print. And then I think I already showed the coffee table, but a new addition is the bar cart, which thankfully just showed up at the door randomly, and here we are. It was easy to build. Just need a lot more booze on it, and that's about it. But everything's super cute so far. If you wanna, let me know if you have any questions about anything. So I think that's my last moving vlog for now. Let me know what you think. I'm sure by the next time I do this, I'll have more decorations up and around in the shelf, and when I do my wallpaper, I'll show you that. And this will be my second to last moving vlog, so I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.